Recent manufacturing plant explosions have magnified the importance of safely handling combustible dust in the workplace. The National Fire Protection Association defines combustible dust as a combustible particulate solid that presents a fire or explosion hazard when suspended in air or the process-specific oxidation medium over a range of concentrations, regardless of the particle size or shape. This type of dust can be created in the manufacturing process while cutting, grinding, deburring, or polishing on metals such as aluminum, titanium, and magnesium. NFPA 484 is the standard that applies to the production, processing, and finishing of all materials and alloys that are in a form that is capable of combustion. The regulations continue to tighten, especially sections concerning the use of dust collectors in the manufacturing facility. The regulations specify that the safest way to handle combustible dust is with a wet dust collection system. With this in mind, the Filter One Hydrotron Wet Dust Collector Series meets or exceeds all NFPA or Occupational Safety and Health Association standards for the collection of combustible dust. The Hydrotron series consists of the HWF Ducted Wet Dust Collector, the HPB and Mark II HPB Wet Dust Booths, and the DHYD and Mark II DHYD Wet Dust Benches. Each model comes with a wide range of options such as vent fans, auxiliary contacts that dictate the starting of the worker's tools, and shutdown features for safe water level operations. These features help ensure that no matter what the application, the Hydrotron can be configured to comply with the strict regulations of the NFPA. The HPB wet booths and the DHYD wet benches create industry-leading capture velocities by utilizing the Balance Filter One Regain feature. These models also can be designed with a multitude of custom features, such as crane slots, up and down table surfaces, just to name a few. The entire Hydrotron series is designed to effectively and efficiently collect combustible dust by immersing the combustible particle with a strong, turbulent water zone that forces the particles into the water with curved baffles. The air and water mixture is then forced upward towards the best in the industry impingers that separate the clean air from the dirty water, ensuring that no water leaves the unit. The particulate is then turned to sludge in the bottom of the unit to be removed during cleanout. All units are run by a ProLogic controller that can be programmed to handle the many custom features available with Filter One, and it also helps maintain a consistent water level by utilizing pressure sensors in place of relying on float valves that have a high failure rate. The Filter One Hydrotron series is available from a local distributor trained in all aspects of NFPA and OSHA compliance, and is the most affordable way to safely handle combustible explosive dust. For more information, contact Filter One at 800-289-0189 or email at info@filter-one.com.